Avocoder. In this video we're going to make Postgres export the output of the select clause straight into a CSV file into our file system. So please give this video an emperor's thumbs up, toll the bell and subscribe. Let's start. Alright, so imagine that the financial department in our company wants to get a full list of all employees that did get a bike assigned via the bike to work scheme. So in order to do that, we can type select all from employee, then we're going to use the left join and we're going to join it on bicycle ID, the primary key from the bicycle table, and the primary key going to be equal to the foreign key bicycle ID from the table employee. And also we are going to provide a condition, so we type where bicycle ID is not null, so essentially not empty, and that will give us Lisa Walkup, the only employee who's been given a bike. And now if we would want to export that into a CSV file, we would need to type the \copy command, and inside the brackets we need to repeat that select clause. So I'm going to type select all from employee, left join, table name bicycle, on primary key in the bicycle table, which is bicycle ID, and we're going to join it on the foreign key bicycle ID from the table employee. And we would also provide a condition where this bicycle ID is not null, so not empty. And after that we are going to provide the path, in other words where to we want to export that result. So in my case it's going to be users Vladi desktop, and are going to use a delimiter of a comma, so CSV stands for comma separated value. And I also would like to keep the column name as header, so I would specify header after the type of file. Alright, so let's give it a try. We did get a permission denied error. That means that Postgres doesn't have a permission to write into one of the folders we specified in the path. So we can either change the permissions on the path, or we can choose a lazy option, which I will do. I will change the path into a public folder, and I'll also specify the name of the file called Lisa. And all went well. Let's give it a try. Here is the file. As you can see, the column names were kept as headers, and we also have the full output from the select clause. Okay, so what if I would want to omit the headers? Pretty simple, we just need to remove header, and let's have another peek. Here's the file, it's been overwritten, and now we have the output without any headers. That's it for this lesson. Please give this video emperor's thumbs up, subscribe, toll the bell, and I'll see you in the next lesson, which is going to be the last in the series. Bye.